I hope this video help you improve your score on JLPT. On this channel, I'll focus on verb conjugation, correct use of particle, kanji reading, and pitch accent in Japanese vocabulary. One of the challenging aspects is to understand which particle should be used depending on the case. When I study English or Chinese, I would first check pronunciation of the word, then study grammatical structure, and finally practice reading sentence. Conversely, when explaining Japanese, I like to take the same approach. What does the Godan verb mean in Japanese grammar? There are 5 kinds of verb and 2 kinds of adjective in Japanese. The way of verb conjugation is different depending on what kind of verb you use in the sentence. Godan verb is a verb that undergo 5 different stem changes when it is conjugated. These changes correspond to different grammatical functions such as negative form, tense, or polite form. The 5 different forms refer to how the final sound of the verb stem changes across 5 different conjugation patterns. These patterns are typically represented by the vowel sound. A-U-E-O. Let's take a look how Japanese verbs are conjugated. For example, kau, it means to buy in Japanese. This verb is classified under the Godan verb group. It is a dictionary form of the verb. In this case, u sound is used in the dictionary form. But if verb is conjugated into the negative form, it becomes kawanai. As you can hear, a sound is used in the negative form. On the other hand, if verb is conjugated into the polite form, it becomes kaimasu, kaimasu. As you can hear, each sound is used in the polite form. This pattern is common among the many Godan verbs. Now, let's take a look at the verb kuru. Kuru, it means to come in Japanese. It is classified under the kahen verb group. This conjugation pattern is not the same as the one used for Godan verbs. Let's take a look at the verb conjugation table. Verb conjugation table is useful for understanding which form to use in the sentence. Here is a verb conjugation table for kau. Here is a verb conjugation table for kaku. This verb is also classified under the Godan verb. So, there are some similarities between 2 tables. Kuru, it is classified under the kahen verb group. This conjugation pattern is not the same as the one used for Godan verbs. Now, let's look at the conjugation table for miru. Miru. This verb is classified under the kami ichidan verb group. So, this conjugation pattern is not the same as the one used for the Godan verb. Before we look at some example of Godan verb, we'll check the Japanese pitch accent. There are 4 kinds of pitch accent in Japanese. The first things we need to remember is the accent kernel. Accent kernel is a sound just before the pitch accent suddenly drop. The type of pitch accent will be changed depending on where the accent kernel will be located. In this video, high pitch accent symbol is placed on particular molar to indicate which molar has high pitch accent. Backslash is placed between high pitch molar and low pitch molar. According to Japanese pitch accent dictionary, this backslash indicates the position of the molar before the pitch accent drop. Let's look at some example of Godan verb. Iku, iku. 行く行く書く書く書く書く気づく気づく気づく気づく消す消す消す消す飼う飼う飼う飼う買う買う買う買う困る困る困る困る売る売る売る売る